Hi, 你们好, welcome to Ivy's Chinese lesson. Today I will introduce you the Chinese food, 10 most popular Chinese dishes to foreigners. And then we introduce my favorite 10 Chinese dishes. Okay, the first one is 糖醋里脊. It's called sour and sweet fillet, and the main ingredients is a pork fillet. The taste is sour and sweet. I didn't eat that one too many times. Second one is very popular, 宫保 chicken, 宫保鸡丁. The main ingredient is a chicken, and the taste is very spicy, appetizing. And number 3, 春卷, spring rolls. This one is also crispy. I think now this one we can find in many places, in many restaurants. Number 4, 炒饭, fried rice. This one have many types of fried rice because it depends on which ingredients you want to mix the rice and it depends which ingredients you want to mix with the rice. You can mix with the egg, with the tomato, with this sausage. Okay, I like this one. Number 5, 麻婆豆腐. This one of my South African friend, his favorite Chinese dishes. 麻婆豆腐. The main ingredients is the tofu, bean curd, and it's also numb and spicy. Number 6, 饺子. Dumpling. I think this is the dish most present Chinese dishes. And this one you can find many types, and they have a different color. The wraps, they have a green, like a purple and a white, and the pie inside also have so many flavors, so many different flavors. Number 7, 馄饨, wonton. This one also is like you can find it in many restaurants now. Wonton. This one is similar to dumpling, just the skin is thinner and smaller. Wonton, 馄饨. Number 8, I think this is the most famous one, Peking duck, 北京烤鸭. Very tasty. Okay, number 9, 炒面, fried noodles. The main ingredient is also noodles. Also have different types. You can mix noodle with tomato, sausage, with egg, many things. It's up to you. Number 10, 咕噜肉. Gulu. This is the same pronunciation when you drink water faster. Gulu. Rou means meat. Gulu rou is sweet and sour pork. So the taste is sweet and sour. Okay, so these are 10 most popular Chinese dishes to foreigners. But all of them, I like it, but it's not my favorite. Now let me introduce my favorite 10 Chinese dishes, and I highly recommend you to try it. Number 1, 糖醋排骨. It's called sweet and sour ribs. The main ingredient is these ribs. Okay, the taste is sweet and sour. Actually, I don't like this translation name, to the English translation name, is that they ruin the Chinese dishes name and it's too long. Okay, 糖醋排骨 Number 2, 鱼香茄子煲 鱼香茄子煲 This name is quite long, but this one is my favorite dishes. It's a eggplant in a clay pot. Eggplant in a clay pot. And the taste is very appetizing and very nice to eat with the rice. Okay, number 3, 叫花鸡 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 Bagel the chicken. I think this one we can just translate into 叫花 chicken. This is the name of the chicken, then chicken, 叫花 chicken. And now there are more and more Chinese dishes name when they translate into English. They just follow the Chinese pinyin. This is okay. 叫花鸡 Bagel the chicken. This one is also very nice. This one is like made of a whole chicken, and they remove all the organism, all the tissue inside of the chicken, and put some sauces and some spices and some other ingredients inside, and then you make this mud, wet mud, wrap it, and then wrap with like banana leaves, and then you like bake it in oven. Very nice. Number 4, 回锅肉 double cooked pork is also very nice. Number 5, 松仁玉米 It's a corn with the pine nuts. This one is fresh and very nice. I love corn and I love nuts. Number 6, 剁椒鱼头 The fish head with the hot peppers. This one is very nice. This one is very famous in my province. It's spicy and sour and very appetizing. Number 7, 凉皮 cold noodle. It's made of rice, cold noodle. So like snacks. It's when you eat it, you feel very cooling and appetizing. Number 8, 熊掌豆腐 This one how to translate? It's a bear's paw tofu. It's not made of a bear's paw. It's just the shape of this tofu. It's like the paw of the bear, like bear's paw. So, okay, so how to tofu shaped in bear's paw? Okay, this one is very nice. It's a very tender and spicy, very tasty, yummy. Okay, number 2 dessert. Number 9 is 榴莲酥 is a crispy durian cake. It's very nice because I love durian, and when they make durian into this cake, it's very tasty. The last one is 灌汤包 In English, 汤包 is also like a steamed bun, but this one there are many soup inside. Like if you In Shanghai, you can find the largest 灌汤包. They will serve you with a straw, and you put into and put it inside, and then you can sip the soup first, and then you start to eat the 汤包. It's very, very nice. I start to water. Okay, so 10 most popular dishes to foreigners. Number 1, 糖醋里脊. 2, 宫保鸡丁. Number 3, 春卷. Number 4, 炒饭. Number 5, 麻婆豆腐. Number 6, 饺子. Number 7, 馄饨. Number 8, 北京烤鸭. Number 9, 炒面. Number 10, 咕噜肉. Okay, my favorite 10 Chinese dishes are 糖醋排骨, 鱼香茄子煲, 叫花鸡, 回锅肉, 松仁玉米, 剁椒鱼头, 凉皮, 熊掌豆腐, 榴莲酥, 灌汤包. That's it. So if you went to the Chinese restaurant, so you can order this kind of dishes and try. I think you will like it, because I think most people of the world, they love Chinese food. Okay, I hope you like this lesson, and if you have any doubts, comments, questions, just write down. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. 再见，拜拜，爱你们，么么哒。